my video, and you can see by searching my video that how many people while searching my video find other videos, what kind of videos do they find when they search with that title, and at what number do they find your video. So it might be easier for you to change the topic uh, accordingly, so that viewers can find the video more easily or your channel more easily. Similarly, your viewer searches, here you will get to see and explore search terms relevant to your channel based on what your viewers and viewers of channel like yours are looking for on YouTube. For example, you can see here my channel name is your channel. So here you will be able to see what did viewers search and they find your channel. They might have just searched for channel, and your YouTube channel might have appeared there. So all of those searches, your viewer searches, will be available here. Similar to the saved, the research saved can be here. You can save the terms; they will appear here, so that you can find them easily for your future uploads or future edits. And this is all about the analytics. Now going to the comments. Once you start uploading on YouTube, you will get lots of different comments. Once your videos get reads, you will have tons of different comments. There might be some for your there might be some of the positive responses to your video. There might be some negative comments as well. There might be hate speech. There might be suggestions, etc. So all of those comments that have been on your channel, or that have been on mentions, will appear here. Here you can see published, held for review. While you upload the video, you can keep the comments for review as well, so that there won't be some scam comments or some fake comments regarding different types of other promotional comments for some brand or some websites. So you can keep them for review and then allow them if you think they are potentially a threat comment that might harm some people's privacy, that might harm your channel in some way. Then you can have them for review, or you can see publish. Here you can use the different filter. You can see contains question. If you click on this, all the comments that contains question will be seen here. You can see the public subscribers, subscriber count, set color and filters are default. Or here you can see I haven't responded. You can see all those videos comments that I haven't responded to will be appearing here. And now from here you can reply to the comments, delete them if you want, uh, heart them if you want, pin the comment if you want. You can do all the things that you would like to do with the comments and mentions on your channel. Now going to the subtitles. When you make a YouTube video, you might want to add subtitles, so that it will be easier for the viewers to know what you are talking about, or the people from different geographical area that might not know your language can easily find